Hello, welcome to IIBM Institute of Business Management's course on Artificial Intelligence. My name is Prasad and I am your instructor. Today, I would like to speak to you about some artificial intelligence and machine learning projects that would make your work portfolio stand out. You would be aware now, artificial intelligence and machine learning are the emerging fields with a massive number of job opportunities for professionals. While companies are hiring for AI and ML professionals, they specifically look for those with prior work experience. The best way to secure a job in these fields is by having projects in your portfolio. I would like to suggest some few project ideas that can make yourself stand out from others. The first project I would like to suggest to you is about sentiment analysis. You would be aware social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, they are all sensitive platforms these days. Assessing the sentiment of the content shared on the social media can be the best project to determine your skills. Over a million tweets are sent out every second, and you would know they will sum up to around 500 600 million tweets every day. Now, research reports suggest that 72% of the public uses some sort of internet based life. Data sets are released from social networks that are used in a number of fields such as marketing, HR analytics, forensics, police, military. You can work on the sentiment analysis based on the linguistic markers in social media posts. The deep learning models can give additional insights into the mental health of the data. Another project I would like to suggest to you is a cricket match or a tennis match or any sports match video from video to text summarization. In this project, you get precise summary out of smart sports match videos. Various models have already been proposed for this. Automatically creating an outline to game video creates the challenge of distinguishing fascinating minutes or highlights of this game. You can achieve this by using deep learning techniques such as 3D convolution neural networks, reinforced neural networks, long short term memory networks, and also through machine learning algorithms. There are projects such as handwritten equation solver. Now these type of projects are required in forensics and also in human resource management in corporates, as well as if you are trying to scan some old manuscripts and convert it into a useful literature that can be preserved for centuries and millions of years. Now, what are the issues? Handwritten expressions recognition is one of the most confounding issues. Everybody have their own handwriting style. You can train the handwritten equation solver by using handwritten digits and mathematical symbols using convolution neural network. Developing such a system requires training machines with data, making it very proficient to learn. Some of the things now which are much in demand, which requires a lot of automation, is business meeting summary generations, such as in call centers, also in corporates. Summarization has risen as a helpful way to tackle the data overburden issue. Extracting meaningful information from the conversation can have a business use case in many fields, as I said. This can be achieved using capturing statistical, linguistic, and sentimental aspects with the dialogue structure of the conversation. So if you specialize in few of these projects, it will enhance your job opportunities. Thank you. Have a nice day.